everyone! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel and welcome sa aming new video. So, sa video na ito guys, kami ay papunta ng Johns Pass Village and Boardwalk and Madeira Beach, Florida. So, ayan guys, as you can see, kami ay nagda-drive papunta ng Johns Pass Village and Boardwalk. So, ayan guys, makikita nyo itong bridge na ito is tawag niya is Sunshine Skyway Bridge and Tampa Bay area or St. Petersburg, Florida. So, ayan guys, see you there. So, ayan guys, kami ay nasa Johns Pass Village and ano na kami guys, boardwalk. So, ito yung village na ito is, meron sila mga shops dito. So, ayan, nagtingin-tingin muna kami and kami ay bibili ng aming magugustuhan guys. So, anyway, ayan, lagi akong pumupunta dito guys sa shops na ito kasi bumibili ako ng ano palagi ng sabon nila kasi sobrang bango at saka organic yung ano nila, yung sabon nila. So anyway, ayan, pumunta kami ng ice cream shops and then pagkatapos nga pala guys, kami ay nag-continue ng mag-looking around. Pumunta kami sa Johns Pass Village and Boardwalk. So ayan, makikita nyo guys yung ano, merong water. So ayan guys, enjoy watching guys. Hi guys, ayan, bali nasa isang restaurant kami. So, bali kami ay kumain muna ng dinner. So, ayan guys, ang aming mga pagkain. Anyway guys, pagkatapos namin na kumain, pumunta kami sa Madeira Beach. Nag-looking around kami guys sa beach. So, see you there guys.
They don't sell. These are the ones that he does, they don't sell them. On each side, there's like 5 different.
They must be getting crazy that there.
So ayan guys, papunta na kami sa Madeira Beach. Sobrang lapit lang din siya. Ano siya, walking distance only from Johns Pass Village and Boardwalk. So dito lang din siya sa area na ito ng ano, Johns Pass Village. So ayan guys, makikita niyo dyan, sobrang ganda din ng beach, Madeira Beach. So ayan guys, enjoy watching sa ano, sa beach.
Babe, look at that, babe. Babe, look at that below. Babe, look at the bridge.
Oh.
So, ayan guys, ayan yung Madeira Beach. So, sobrang maganda din ang beach na ito guys. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda din niya. So, anyway, kami ay nanood dyan ng sunset. Yung sunset is about 7 p.m. around 7 p.m. So, ayan, sobrang ganda din niya guys.
lot of people swim here, right? They have the hotels here.
So ayan guys, balik kami ay bumalik na sa John's Pass Village and then kami ay nag-continue na mag sightseeing. So anyway, ito yung view ng John's Pass Village during night time. So ayan guys, sana magustuhan nyo yung view. Maganda ang place na ito guys. So ayan, after namin na mag dyan guys, sightseeing, so kami ay umuwi na ng bahay. So ayan, kami ay nag-unwind muna saglit and then kami ay umuwi na ng bahay.
He saw me.
Ayan, kami ay pauwi na ng bahay guys. So, ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito at saka sana nagustuhan nyo. Anyway, salamat sa pagpanood. See you sa aming next vlog.